is Daddy's birthday. Come here. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Nothing like getting breakfast in Portugal on your birthday. This is fantastic. I'm excited for a fun day today. I think we're going to Sintra, which apparently is very beautiful. And if you come to Lisbon, it's definitely a day trip that you're supposed to take. So, Tanya planned it out. I think it's going to be fantastic. Let's go.
One really cool thing in Portugal is that some of the buildings are actually elevators in disguise. This building behind me is actually an elevator that takes you to a higher street behind you. Very cool. So we had to run on the train to make it, but we made it.
How many minutes to spare?
0. 0 minutes.
So how was this experience compared to the last one?
Better. So everybody's heading in the other direction, and this sweet little man just showed us this tiny little convenience store to grab some lunch. It was so nice. Just a little impromptu lunch.
I got cured ham. I know I'm going to Spain in like 3 days, but I gotta have me some cured ham right now.
This is the best little sandwich ever. Dad's getting us some vanilla cookies.
Yeah. And he dropped.
And they're all broken.
My happy reality.
Oh no, nice little cookie.
It tastes like a s'more.
We're trying new cookies with them first, so that way we can work them up to the new, like, octopus.
That was a bumpy ride.
Tanya asked, is this hop on, hop off? I said, it better be for €35.
We did find it on the first try.
That is true. Good job, babe.
We made it to the Moorish castle.
First try.
Of stairs to climb, but the view just keeps getting better and better.
Hey, Josie, who do you think lived in there? I think so.
We just walked around the castle, but it was so windy we almost blew ourselves right off.
We survived.
Next to the palace. Let's go.
Hi guys. Well, it looks like we got this tourist spot all to ourselves. I thought we were going to the end.
do one more palace? No? No? Okay.
Baby.
We're here trying the local food. First up is Emily. So Emily got the vegetarian soup. We don't know what's in it, but we're just gonna try it anyways.
3, 2, 1.
How did it taste?
Tastes like lettuce. I have a grilled chicken that is frango asado. Sure, I'm pronouncing that right. Not N. Wait, where's that?
Here it goes. Hold on. Keep going.
Delicious. Tonight I'm having some spaghetti with shrimp with a Portuguese sauce.
I ordered the seafood rice bake, which is the Portuguese equivalent of a Spanish paella. And look at this. It's so good, it's worth it.
I ordered the bife portuguesa. It's veal steak with ham on it.
Is it good?
Delicious.
I have fries and hamburger.
And we're back for one more gelato before we leave. Cheers.
Not once, but twice.
Let me see your mouth. And we have to wear this shirt for 4 more months. Josie! I don't know how it got back there.
I tried a cucumber.
Good job.
This is an ancient Roman theater that they found underground. I'm eating bruschetta. It's pretty good.
Good.
I like it.
Portugal is the #1 producer of cork. That means almost everything in the stores are made of cork, like purses, hats, wallets, bracelets, rings, notebooks, basically everything.
And the buildings are made out of tile.
How's it going? Well, we just got back from the supermarket and we made a couple extra purchases, but that's okay because all we have to do is walk up that hill. Loving it. Loving every second. And Emily was being super sweet. She offered to help. She offered to help carry something. The bread. But managed to drop it on the street out of the bag. I'm still eating it. How many degrees Celsius is, what do you want, 350?
Yeah, 350 or 400.
400 degrees Fahrenheit is 200 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna remember that one.
I'll try. Scrub, 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 scrub. I'm washing dishes. Look at your amazing.
I'm amazing.
Yeah, that's what I love too.
I'm about to get 4 in a row, you gotta be careful.
4 in a row. Block 2.
You blocked me there,
Yeah.
but you didn't block me there.
We always show the kids our videos before we post them to make sure they approve. I think they like this one.